Meron bang maayos naman na pagstayan sa Kawayan Isabela? Ang sagot, meron. Hindi lang maayos, 4-star accommodation pa. Today, we will share our experience staying at the Maximilian Hotel sa Kawayan Isabela. Di kami gaanong nag-expect kasi medyo malayong province na talaga ang Isabela. But honestly, this hotel really surprised us in a good way. Kung bibisita kayo ng Kawayan Isabela or may business trip kagaya ng sa amin, or gusto ninyo lang ng isang cozy place near the airport, this short review is for you. First impressions. Isa sa plus ng The Maximilian is that it is conveniently located near the Kawayan Airport. So, kung via plane kayo going Isabela, hindi na kayo ma-stress about long travel from the airport to your hotel. Or, if parang kayo kami na via land, madali lang tuntunin ang hotel na ito kasi along lang ito sa isang major highway ng Isabela. Malapit din ito sa commercial establishments like SM Kawayan, Kawayan's Public Market, restaurants, banks, to name a few. Another thumbs up for us is its looks. Ang The Maximilian Hotel ay modern, fresh, and a little upscale compared to what you'd normally expect if nasa province ka. And the staff? Very nice, genuinely warm, at friendly. And this was not just nung papasok pa lang kami ng hotel, but throughout our stay. Rooms. Now let's talk about the rooms because honestly, very good ang The Maximilian Hotel dito. The design is simple but elegant. The bed, super comfortable. Very cozy ang pagstay namin talaga. Even the kids had a good sleep. Okay. May Wi-Fi, good lighting, a nice work desk, and has a smart TV as well. The unit was clean, modern, has strong water pressure in the restroom, and the vibe of the hotel ay para talagang 4-star places sa Metro Manila. Food and dining. Yung breakfast talaga nakasama sa accommodation, to be honest, inaabang-abangan talaga namin yan. And the Maximilian Hotel didn't disappoint. The offer was a buffet breakfast. Not too many on the menu, but it was enough for a good heavy morning meal. Kahit mga bata na busog. For lunch and dinner, they have their in-house restaurant that serves both Filipino favorites and international dishes. It also has their in-house cafe. Amenities. The pool is definitely a highlight para sa amin. Hindi kalakihan, pero malinis, relaxing, at perfect pang chill-chill lang. They also have a small gym in the hotel para walang skip ang pag-exercise natin. Meron din silang available na business and function rooms and a grand ballroom for events. Service and overall experience. Service-wise, talagang may extra point sa amin ang The Maximilian Hotel. Mababait ang mga staff and talagang pinafeel nila sa amin na welcome kami sa hotel. From check-in to housekeeping, lahat ay smooth at professional. So, would we recommend ang The Maximilian Hotel sa Kawayan Isabela? Definitely and absolutely yes. If pupunta kayo ng Kawayan to visit a family or even just passing through, hindi ka bibiguin ng The Maximilian Hotel. Bibigyan ka nito ng isang 4-star hotel experience. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more travel reviews. And let me know in the comments kung nakapunta ka na ba sa Kawayan at kung anong naging experience mo sa The Maximilian Hotel nung last day mo. See you on our next content. Thank you so much.